In response to the escalating use of drones on the battlefield, Ukraine's Brave 1 Defense Tech Initiative has rolled out a new type of 5.56 mm rifle ammunition specifically engineered to counter aerial threats. This innovation reflects a significant shift in infantry capabilities, empowering soldiers with the means to defend themselves against fast, low-flying drones using their standard firearms. As combat drones, especially cheap, fast FPV models, are increasingly used to strike valuable assets, Brave 1 has introduced a NATO-standardized round that offers infantry a direct method to engage these airborne targets. Unlike traditional air defense systems or electronic jamming tools, these rounds give every rifleman a personal counter-drone tool built into their current kit. Though these cartridges resemble conventional 5.56 mm NATO rounds and are fully compatible with weapons like the CZ Bren, they incorporate a purpose-built projectile designed for maximum effectiveness against nimble drones and quadcopters. The goal is simple: give troops on the ground the ability to react instantly to overhead threats without needing bulky support systems or complex logistics. Digital Transformation Minister Mikhailo Fedorov confirmed that each soldier is expected to receive at least one full magazine of the new ammunition. This step represents more than just a tactical upgrade, it's a broader signal of Ukraine's efforts to align its capabilities with NATO standards and to push for innovative battlefield solutions that can be scaled across allied forces. Compared to the vehicle-mounted or fixed drone defense systems often used by Russian forces, this solution offers a nimble, mobile answer tailored to the realities of modern frontline warfare. Infantry units are now better equipped to respond quickly to aerial dangers, even in environments where traditional countermeasures may falter. This evolution parallels how armor-piercing rounds once became standard as threats evolved. Now, anti-drone ammunition could play a similar role, helping level the playing field against inexpensive UAVs capable of delivering disproportionate damage. Brave 1's recent test videos reveal how these specialized rounds integrate seamlessly into the daily gear of Ukrainian troops. A soldier using a CZ Bren was shown engaging a drone with these enhanced cartridges, demonstrating their practical use and ease of deployment. Given the ubiquity of the 5.56 mm round among NATO armies, the ammunition could be adopted widely, standardizing a drone response option at the squad level. If field trials continue to prove successful, this innovation may influence NATO's approach to infantry readiness, equipping soldiers with low-cost, reliable tools for modern combat environments dominated by drone warfare. Ukraine's approach could mark a turning point in small unit defense against unmanned threats, enhancing both survivability and strategic flexibility across the alliance.